Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by jumping straight into recovery. This gives you the tools to change a login password. Once the Mac restarts, hold Command+R until you see Mac OS Utilities. That boots the recovery environment. Make sure you have your Apple ID info handy, because if File Vault is active, you'll need it to unlock the disk. While you wait in recovery, note that changing the account password does not automatically update your keychain. You'll handle that later to avoid losing saved passwords. You now run the actual reset tool, open Utilities, choose Terminal, then type reset password and press Enter. In the Reset Password window, pick the correct startup volume, then select the user account you need to change. Enter a new, strong password and a hint if desired. This updates the account credentials but does not automatically merge keychain data. Once done, choose whether to create a new login keychain or try to update the existing one. That choice preserves or discards stored passwords. Once you restart, log in with the new password and confirm your apps, iCloud, and Mail reconnect properly. Next, open Keychain Access. If passwords fail, create a new login keychain and re-enter critical credentials so apps can store them again. Make sure automatic login settings meet your security needs. If your drive was File Vault encrypted and you lack the Apple ID or recovery key, you can't recover the old data. In that case, erase and reinstall Mac OS. This is the single most important troubleshooting step to know.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.